In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF in card.co. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable button on your card site that opens your PDF for anyone to view. This approach is simple, reliable, and keeps your site fast because the file is hosted externally, not on card itself. First, upload your PDF to a cloud storage service you trust, like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Using a cloud host is important because card doesn't store files for you, and you want a stable link that won't change. Before you upload, make sure you're using the finalized version of your PDF. Give it a clear file name and keep the file size reasonable so it loads quickly for your visitors. Once it's uploaded, find the option to get a shareable link. Typically, you can right-click the file or use the share button, then choose the setting that provides a link you can copy. Next, confirm the link's permissions are set to anyone with the link can view. This is crucial. If the link is restricted to your account or to specific people, your site visitors will hit a permissions wall. Look for wording like anyone with the link and make sure the access level is set to view or can view, not edit or restricted. As a quick sanity check, open a private or incognito window and paste the link. If the PDF opens without asking you to sign in, you're good to go. Now head to Card, open your site, and click Edit to enter the page editor. This is where you'll add the element that connects your visitors to the PDF. If you're working with a template, pick the section where you want the link to appear so the layout stays consistent. Add a button element to your page. You can place it wherever it makes the most sense, often near related content or in a resources section. Give the button a clear label like View PDF or Download PDF so visitors know exactly what will happen. With the button selected, open its link settings, choose URL, and paste in the shareable link you copied from your cloud storage. If your editor shows an option to open the link in a new tab, that's usually a good idea so visitors don't lose their place on your site. That's it. You've hosted your PDF, confirmed the link is viewable by anyone, and added a button in Card that points straight to it. This keeps your site clean, your content accessible, and your visitors just one click away from your document.